should have caught the top.
Wait!
Good grief.
I do sometimes. What do you want me to do to get off this one?
Let's see.
Taylor, smile at me.
What?
Okay, don't pull.
Okay, let's try that again.
Wow, that was a good one.
Hey, look out, we got this.
No, you don't. I know what you're doing.
Woo!
Oh! Hey, you know what? There ain't nothing in that head. That's kind of like mine.
Stop talking about Taylor that way. You love her anyway.
Hey, yay. Quit tugging on it.